very proud of our Fairfax ladies bringing home the gold from the World Police and Fire Games from women's basketball. It was exciting the entire game, just basket after basket, play after play, just executing and having a good time and making Fairfax proud. We're world gold medal winners in women's basketball, so proud. Excellent crowd, community members, police, fire, sheriff, other county employees cheering our ladies on. Can't ask for any better.
So this group, they put themselves together about 5 months ago, and Jamaica, and I told her I would help them out. And I said, first, what do you want to do? Do you guys are you all in, or are we just going to do this? She said, I want to win a gold medal. And they did the work.
Very exciting moment for all of us. So, we came together, like he said, about 5 months ago, and I just dedicated myself and I made sure that all the girls were on board. It's 100% or nothing, and we all agreed and gave ourselves to each other that we would give 100%. When we stepped on the floor here on Friday, we said we want a gold medal out of this. This is what we came to do, and we achieved it today.
Winning the gold was amazing. I can't believe we played so well together. We had a lot of teamwork. Everybody had their role and they played well. It was a hard-fought game. LAPD's won it the last couple years, and it was kind of an upset, I feel, that we played in our first game and we won. So it was a really great experience.
Just to be able to do it here at our home place, it was really exciting. I loved it. Had a lot of fun.
It was a great experience for me myself. Once it came to Fairfax, I knew I wanted to be a part of it. My teammates, like I said, came through, and I couldn't do it without them. So we came here with a goal, and we achieved it today. We're off to Montreal.
Being together with our world public safety partners, the most exciting, best element for me and everybody in public safety is the engagement with our community. Over 5,000 volunteers and other community members coming out to cheer on public safety from the world. Terrific. And I hope it's a legacy of engagement that endures beyond the games. Let's go Fairfax.